To New York now, where a pretrial hearing has just wrapped up for Luigi Mangione, the man accused of gunning down UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Still no ruling from the judge over whether evidence from Mangione's backpack can be used in the trial. A judge is weighing the legality of police seizing and searching the 27-year-old's backpack on the day of his 2024 arrest inside a McDonald's. I want to bring in CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman, who was in the same room as Mangione in a New York courtroom today. Katrina, what's the latest and what happens next?
So the big takeaway from today is that the judge has set jury selection for this federal trial. That will take place on September 8th, and then we have two possible trial dates. If it's not a capital trial, it will start on October 13th. If it is a capital trial, that means if the death penalty is on the table here, it will be on January 11th. So we now know when this is all going to start, at least to some extent. Now, in terms of the evidentiary hearing we heard today, we heard testimony from an Altoona police officer, the deputy chief of the Altoona police, in fact, and he was talking all about their procedures and protocols when it comes to search and seizure. So they were really parsing the language of what the police learn they're supposed to do when they arrest someone. At what point are they supposed to stop and get a search warrant? He did say there are certain circumstances where once they come across something illegal, they would stop to get a search warrant. For example, when they come across drugs or contraband. He said that when there's something dangerous, like a firearm magazine, they would continue to search. But the defense did point to some language that they said, one said some of these procedures are just related to the physical search of a person, and also that if they find evidence of a crime, they're supposed to stop and get a warrant. So the judge will be mulling all of this over. She didn't give a timeline yet on when she'll make a decision here, but it will be crucial for either side whether or not all of the contents of Luigi Mangione's backpack get let in once this does in fact go to trial. And we'll have a conference back here next Friday to learn a bit more about how things will proceed from here.
Katrina Kaufman, thank you so much.